Hi everyone, it's me again, Lavimito. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. If you're new on the channel, kindly consider subscribing, okay? So guys, I want to welcome you all to my kitchen as we prepare a meal for the soul. Of course, I went to the mall, got these vegetables and this. Actually, it's usually cheap from the mall. You see, it's only 56 shillings. This one is 28 and 28. Spinach na skumawiki. So we're gonna be preparing that. Na hii sasa. Guys, already how much? 2 or 3. Only. So we get ready. Kwanza nataka I don't know how many get nervous when doing this, but I definitely do. Because a little slip, and trust me, you kiss unapita na mkono. So, guys, it's kinda a lot, but yeah, I got this, and I'm so far so good. For the Skumawiki, I'll be using onions and Royco cubes alone. And then for my chicken liver, I prefer actually deep frying it first. Ndio like ikuwe ngumu. We all know it can be a little bit softer. So yeah, and ikuwe ngumu kupika. So I'll only be using onions, tomato paste, garlic, and milk for the recipe. Yeah. So nothing complicated. Yeah. Kamaji ka ugali, ka broth ketu. Wow, this looks very good, guys. I hope it tastes even better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.